Welcome back to our Pinegen AI tutorial series. This is video 4 where we're focusing on speed. Today I'll show you how to build complete trading strategies in literally seconds using Pinegen AI. By the end of this video, you'll be generating professional Pine script strategies faster than you ever thought possible. Let's get straight to it. Here's the reality. Traditional Pine script development takes hours or even days. You need to research syntax, debug errors, test conditions, and format everything properly. With Pinegen AI, we're talking seconds. Not minutes, not hours. Literal seconds from idea to working strategy. Let me prove it to you right now. Timer starts now. I want to build a golden cross strategy. When the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, I'm typing golden cross strategy. Buy when 50 simple moving average crosses above 200 simple moving average. Sell when 50 simple moving average crosses below 200 simple moving average. Show both moving averages on chart with buy and sell markers. Hit generate. And 8 seconds. Complete golden cross strategy with proper crossover detection, entry and exit logic, and chart visualization. Look at this professional code structure. It would take me an hour to write this manually. Let's go faster. Timer reset. I want a scalping strategy using multiple indicators. Quick prompt. Scalping strategy using RSI below 30, MACD bullish crossover, and price above 20 EMA for buy signals. Opposite for sell, include all indicators on chart, generate, done. 6 seconds this time. Look at this complexity, RSI oscillator, MACD histogram with signal line, exponential moving average, and perfectly coordinated buy and sell conditions. This would be a multi-hour project traditionally. One more speed test. I want a breakout strategy with volume confirmation. Super quick breakout strategy. Buy when price breaks above 20 period high with volume 1.5 times average. Sell when price breaks below 20 period low. Show breakout levels and volume. 5 seconds. New record. Perfect breakout detection with volume confirmation, dynamic support and resistance levels, and volume analysis. This is enterprise-level strategy development at lightning speed. So what's the secret to this incredible speed? 3 key factors. 1. AI understanding. Pinegen AI's AI understands trading concepts, not just code. When you say golden cross, it knows exactly what calculations and conditions you need. 2. Pre-optimized templates. The AI uses battle-tested code patterns and structures, so you get professional quality output every time. 3. Instant compilation. No syntax errors, no debugging needed. The code is production ready from the moment it's generated. Let me show you rapid-fire strategy development. I'll generate 5 different strategies in under 2 minutes. Momentum strategy, Bollinger Band squeeze, Ichimoku cloud breakout, volume spike detector, mean reversion with RSI. Done. 5 complete strategies in 1 minute, 45 seconds. Each one is unique, professional, and ready to deploy in TradingView immediately. Copy, paste into TradingView, and you're trading. No modifications needed. Here are my advanced speed techniques. 1. Use trading shortcuts. Say bull flag pattern instead of describing the pattern. The AI knows standard trading terminology. 2. Chain conditions. RSI oversold and MACD bullish and volume spike. The AI handles complex logic instantly. 3. Reference timeframes. Daily breakout with hourly confirmation. Multi-timeframe strategies in seconds. 4. Include risk management. Add with 2% stop loss and 4% take profit to get complete risk-managed strategies. And that's how you build trading strategies in seconds with Pinegen AI. We've created 8 different professional strategies in under 4 minutes total. Traditional development, hours to days. Pinegen AI with prompt generator, seconds to minutes. The structured builder interface makes strategy creation even faster and more precise. In our next video, Build Few Indicators in Just Seconds, we'll switch gears and show you how to create custom indicators just as fast as we built these strategies. Subscribe to catch every video in this series, and I'll see you in the next tutorial where we'll take these strategies to the next level.